Someone has a secret admirer. This person is very tightly keeping tabs on you, kind of as you're coming, as you're going. They're watching you. They enjoy watching you. This person here, it's coming up as true love and that they're worth waiting for. So I don't feel like you have actually properly connected yet. This is a new love connection. This is you calling in your soulmates, and it is going to come very, very soon. This person has a very, very heavy attraction for you, a deep desire to look at you. There's something about your lips and there's something about your figure that they find very attractive. This person views you as having lots of admirers. So you're on show somewhere. So this could be either on social media, or like that's part of your career, or the gym, wherever it is, you are on show and people are admiring you. You are showing up to me as very blessed and very abundant. They are wanting you to know that the universe has your back. You've got strong manifesting energy, and I believe you have been manifesting this person in. This person is a soulmate. There is an equal strong attraction. So when your person feels the time is right to come forward, they definitely will. You have got lots of admirers around you, and I feel that when you realize it's this actual person, you're actually going to be really happy that it is them. I'm not going to lie, this person absolutely adores you. This person has had the crush on you for the longest time, and they have little love hearts in their eyes when they wake up in the morning and they're thinking about you. They cannot wait to see you. I don't feel like they see you every day, but I feel like they see you quite a lot, and they really look forward to those moments when they are going to be seeing you. They are coming through as a King of Pentacles. This is somebody who's very hardworking, very stable, very loyal, darker hair, darker eyes. This is strong earth energy here. So Virgo, Capricorn and Taurus energy coming through here. I feel like you are both tough people, and I feel like you've been through a lot in your life, both of you. You're both showing up as people who have been in relationships where you've had infidelity, you've been stabbed in the back, and when you come together, there's actually a very healing energy of you two being together. There's something about you being athletic, either one of you or both of you, but also they're showing me one of you is really disconnected from your father or has had trauma with the father in the past. It could be either of you or both of you as well. They see you as being someone who is very, very authentic. They want to take that leap of faith with you. They're actually cutting old cords. They're sorting out situations so that they can make the step towards you. Because they read you as being authentic and kind of powerful and standing in that, they feel that they can also be authentic and themselves with you. You've been manifesting this connection, whether you realize it or not. Maybe not necessarily their face, their name, but you are a strong manifester, and you have been manifesting this love connection of a soulmate. So trust it when it comes in. This person is coming forward to you. It is a secret admirer, but when they come forward at the moment, they're just kind of tight. They're showing me them tying up some kind of loose ends, and then they're going to be forward for you.